Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade in XM Mobile. To begin, open XM on your mobile device and make sure you're on the main account area. Starting from the home screen helps you follow the process smoothly and makes it easier to find the tools you need for placing a trade. Once you're inside the app or mobile site, look to the left side navigation menu and tap on Market. This section is where you can browse available trading instruments. If you're new to the platform, this area is essentially your starting point for finding what you want to trade, whether it's commodities, Forex pairs, indices, or other listed assets. After opening the market section, select a sample symbol from the list. In this example, you're simply choosing the instrument you want to trade. Take a moment to confirm you've tapped the correct symbol, because the next screen will display details specifically for that asset, including pricing and trading options. When the symbol page opens, go to the top right panel and choose either buy or sell. This is the point where you decide the direction of your trade. Buy is typically used when you expect the price to move upward, while sell is used when you expect the price to move downward. Be sure to check the selection carefully before moving ahead, since this choice determines how your trade will be placed. Next, tap on Place Order. This action moves you from the trade setup stage into the order submission process. Before continuing, it's a good idea to quickly review the information shown on the screen so you understand what you're about to submit. Even if the process is simple, taking a brief pause here can help avoid mistakes. After that, tap Confirm Order to finalize the trade. This is the final approval step, and once you confirm, your order is submitted to the platform. Depending on market conditions and the type of trade, the order may be executed right away. And that's the full process for trading in XM Mobile. Open the platform, go to Market, choose your symbol, select Buy or Sell. Tap Place Order, and then confirm the order. As a helpful reminder, always review your trade details carefully before confirming, especially when using a live account. A quick check can make the experience smoother and more accurate. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you understand how to place a trade in XM Mobile with confidence.